oil change in the next couple hundred miles, but you know what? I'm an idiot. Let's have some fun, baby. Trust me, I've been exactly where you're at right now watching the video. You're watching a bunch of YouTube videos, you're watching M3 reviews, you're watching people take delivery, you're watching like 16-year-olds on TikTok get this car, and you're like, man, life ain't fair. And you're right, life ain't fair. But life goes by too fast to drive slow cars, brother. Listen. Even if you're making a few bands a month, you know what I mean? Let's say you can't afford the M3 payment. I mean, dead. Sell a kidney, start selling drugs. There's so many things that you could do. Start cleaning car. You could start a real business or something. All I'm trying to say is that a car like this is very attainable. You can do it. If a little Joe schmuck like me can do it, there's no doubt in my mind that you can make it happen, bro. Just a little, you know, words of encouragement. I mean, it doesn't even have to be an M3, bro. You want a C63, you want a RS5, you want, God forbid, you want an Alfa Romeo. I don't care, dude. Maybe you even, okay, that's taking it too far. If you want a Tesla, just save your money. But like, you're a little petrol head, man. I don't think that there's anything better, especially if you commute like a lot, you know what I'm saying? So if you live in a city like this, LA, you're probably on the road, what, 2 hours out of your day at the very least? I mean, come on, man. What are the best things in life? A good mattress, probably a good chair to sit in, do your work in, and then a good car. It's like, it's right there, bro. It's the top three, 100%. And I'll tell you what, those first two things are not as fun. See, even, you know what? You can even have fun in a 3 Series like that thing, bro. That's like a third of the price of this. It might just be a third of the fun, though. I'm not gonna lie. This thing is pretty fucking awesome. Also, I don't know about you guys, but I feel like once I incur a monthly cost, or once I move into a bigger place, or, you know, just whenever there's a new monthly payment, I feel like I go a little harder, you know? Look at this NPC stuff, bro. Everyone's waiting on one line. I feel like I just naturally go harder. I'm like, damn, I gotta pay another $1,000 a month for this. Like, that means I gotta make another 2, 3, 4, you know what I mean? Like, I feel like it's like a mentality thing, bro. If you can picture yourself in this car, or any car, really, then you can do it. You can get it. Probably really soon, too. What is it? Middle of April? Bro, I bet you by the end of the year, you can own one of these cars, man. Just a little bit of hustle, a little bit of grit, maybe a little bit of luck. Actually, for sure, a little bit of luck. But man, I don't know if there's anything better, bro. Dailyable. The gas is pretty good. The ground clearance is not that bad. Like, I lowered it and I have a front lip, so I scrape everywhere. But I mean, this day, it's a panty dropper. Do you see these seats right now? It's practical. Look at all the boxes I got. Dad, I can't glaze this car enough, I'm not gonna lie. Literally the first ever video I made on this thing, I called it ugly because I did buy this car before it was cool. I'm not gonna lie. Hey, everyone's got this car now, you know? Like I said, TikTok kids have this car. It's like the Instagram car to have. I need to sell it soon, I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of overplayed. But I still have a lot of fun with it, man. Hey, it's an active day out here in LA, man. It just makes your days better, bro. Like, I could be driving around in this Camry right now, and I would still have a great day, you know, and I'd still get from point A to point B. But this Camry can't do that, you know what I mean? Oh, yeah. Oh, of course. Nice, buddy. Nice. Let's go 10 under the limit. Beautiful. Oh, this little cutie. Even the dog likes it, man. That's awesome. Now, I will not lie. There's something to be said. Oh, hang on. We got a little tunnel. Hang on. Oh, yeah. It just puts the biggest smile on your face. That Camry isn't giving me the same smile. But I will say, there's something to be said about people that buy cars just to like look cool, you know? Like, I don't think taking on a big payment makes sense just to like look cool at the club or the bar. Like, maybe it's a little worth it to get some puss, you know what I'm saying? But for the most part, it's like this. I feel like if you really enjoy cars, if like just fuck all the noise, fuck all the social media, the attention, the clout, whatever, if you just really enjoy cars, I don't think that there's like a max amount that you can spend on a car, you know? Like, it's kind of like your happiness, you know? Like, instead of going out to eat, or instead of maybe this vice or this unhealthy thing or habit that people do, like, bro, you can put money into your car and you can be really happy about it. Or you can look at that. The M340, you can get one of those, you know? You can have almost just as much fun as this. Like, I don't know, man. I'm a really big car guy, food guy, and kush guy. And that's where a majority of my money goes, and I feel like it doesn't get wasted, right? But if I didn't really like cars, and I was spending $1,000+ every single month on something I didn't really love, doesn't put the biggest smile on my face, and I'm kind of buying it for other people, I don't think it really makes sense, you know? I think that's where you start talking about waste of money, clout chasing, if you will. Like, if there wasn't a single other person on the road right now, if I didn't have this YouTube or social media thing, I would still have this car, you know what I mean? Like, I just love cars, bro. And if you love cars, then you shouldn't feel bad about spending your hard-earned money on a car, bro. What's the point, right? Hey, you're not taking this shit into the afterlife, right? There's no new game plus, bro. And I'd rather have this car right now than when I'm 50. Like, it's gonna be, hey, trust me, we're gonna have some cool cars when I'm 50, trust. Maybe a little Ferrari, maybe a little Lamborghini, but like that. This is it right here. I don't really even know what I'm yapping about anymore, but I'm just saying that you can do it. And then if you want it, you should do it. You can make more bread, dude. You can start giving foot massages or something, man. If you really want it, you're gonna get it. And I mean, let's be honest. Oh, never mind. I was gonna say, and let's be honest, I'm mogging everyone in this parking lot right now. But here we go. That Boxster's pretty cool, bro. That Boxster is pretty sick. Oh, it's not a parking spot. I will say the middle-aged women love the car and color more than anyone else. Anyway, that's the ramble. That's the yap for today. Get that dream car if you want it, bro. Even if you can't really... Listen, not financial advice. Even if it's stretching the budget a little bit, I believe in you to be able to make it happen, bro. Make it work. We're all capable. You know what I'm saying? Love you guys. Damn, that is the most LA car I've seen in a minute. That's sick. Love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you're new and all that. Let me know what car that you want to get by the end of the year if you're thinking of getting one. And I'll see you in the next one, boys. We are picking up the Mercedes soon, so more C63 content is coming, I promise. It's been a little bit of a hiatus. I apologize. But we're back. We're back. I love you. Peace. Have a good one. Oh, wait. I thought I was going to do a pull, but I'm in comfort. Wait, what's a comfort pull like? Oh. I'll take that. That's real nice. All right, later. I love y'all. Peace.